Hi people, welcome to this channel once again. This is Tula Tuige. On this channel we learn guitar music and we also talk music gossip sometimes. But today we're going to be learning the chord of G. Please stick around. If you haven't yet subscribed, you can consider subscribing by sliding your mouse smoothly to that little icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Subscribe to this channel for more videos on guitar and music gossip. Consider also smashing that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Now today we're going to be doing the chord of G. The chord of G. This is the G major chord on guitar. This is how it sounds. If your guitar is in tune, this is how your chord will sound. Now, like all major chords, the G major chord is also made up of mainly 3 notes. That is what we call the root note, which is the 1. Then we have the 3 and the 5. The 1 on chord G is G itself. Then the 3 is the B note and the 5 is the D note. So this is the 1 right here. This is the 1. I'm using a couple, but if your guitar is in standard tuning, you'll not need a couple. Your G will be right here. But because I am using a couple, my G will be right here. I tune my guitar 1 note down. It is in the E flat tuning. I don't tune it in E standard because I love the sound that I get when I use a couple on my guitar. So this video won't take long. It will be about maybe 5 minutes. So this note right here is a G note and this is the 1. And then we have the 3. The 3 is the B note, which is this one. This note right here is the 3. Then the 5 is this note right here. The D, open D. Well, the beauty about the G chord is that it's an open chord. Most of the notes ring out open. There are few of the notes that you will get hold of. You will get hold of the G right here. Then you will get hold of this note down here. This note down here is a D. And this last note is an E, but you'll also get hold of it at this point, which makes it G as well. So this note is a G and this note is a G. This is our root and also this is our root right here. Sorry, right here. This is also the root. So G, you're going to be using, we shall be using these 4 fingers. So we shall be using, first of all, the middle finger right here. Sorry, right here. The middle finger, this. We'll take this finger and hold the G note on our first string, which is the E string, right here. This is a G note. Then we will take this first finger, or what we call the index finger, and place it on the second string in the 2nd fret. So right here. This note right here is a B note, which is a 3. Then we will take this ring finger. This is the ring finger. We'll take the ring finger and place it on our last string down here. This is a note, G as well. So when we put all our fingers on the fretboard, you'll have G down here, then you'll have your middle finger holding up the G on the first string, 3rd fret. Then you'll have your index finger right here holding up the B note on the A string. This will be on the 2nd fret, right there. So this is an open G chord. This is the open G chord. Now there are some things you can add onto the G chord to make it even sound more better. For instance, we can add the little pinky finger onto our chord, in the sense that we now will move the ring finger to the B string right here. This note right here is because it's B, you'll have C sharp, then D. So this will be a D note right here. So we'll take the ring finger and add it onto this note right here, which is a 5. So we'll have a 5, then we'll have a 1, then we'll have a 3, then we will have the 1 right here. So this is what will happen. You'll take these two fingers and place them, the pinky on the E string, 3rd fret, which is a G note. Then you'll take your ring finger, this finger, the ring finger, then you'll put it on the B string, but this time on the 3rd fret, which makes it the D note, which is the 5. Then you'll take your middle finger right here, and let the middle finger hold your 1st string, which is the E string, but let it hold the note G right here, which is our 1, and then you will take your index finger, and your index finger will hold this note right here. This is the B note, which is the 3 right there. So when you have all your fingers in the right position in this shape, you will have what they call the G major chord. I love it this way. This is also the G major chord. Most of the strings here ring out open. The D string is open. The G string is also open. So you will have the G major chord. Please look at I want you to look at the chord diagram up there. Look at that chord diagram, and you will realize that those are actually the strings that we are holding. So we can have this G, or you can have this G. You notice the difference in the way they sound? That, then this. We added this note. That's why you hear this. Whichever you prefer, they are all good chords. So, but my preference is this one that has that added D note right at the bottom there. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you haven't yet subscribed, consider subscribing, give the video a like, and you can also leave your comments in the comment section below. I'll be grateful to hear from you. And see you in the next one.